As a discipline, project management was developed over years from several different fields, including civil construction, engineering, and national defense activities. All organizations, large or small, will undertake projects at some time to improve an operation, meet a requirement, or to fulfill a need. The challenge of project management is to achieve all of the project's objectives while staying within its defined constraints. The primary constraints that a project is usually governed by are the time it takes to complete the project, the cost of the project, and staying within the scope of the project. These are called the triple constraints, and we'll get into more detail about each of them later on during this course. Since we now understand that a project isn't part of your everyday business operations, it's important to plan a project properly and to accurately estimate the key resources that will be needed to complete a project early on during the project management processes. The project management process is composed of 5 phases that run horizontally across the project management process matrix. These phases are better known as the process groups of project management. These process groups are the initiating group, the planning group, the executing group, the monitoring and controlling group, and the closing group. Project management also consists of 10 steps that are logically sequenced vertically in the project management process matrix. These steps are known as knowledge areas, and these knowledge areas are integration, scope, time, cost, human resources, quality, communications, risk, procurement, and the stakeholder management knowledge areas. Within the framework of the project management matrix, there are 47 distinct processes that a project manager will use to guide and complete a project. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, and I'm not going to lie to you, it is. But as we discuss the framework in the upcoming lessons, it will become clear how these processes logically flow and how completing them in accordance with the project management standards just makes sense. Different industries may use variations of these process groups, and not all projects will require every knowledge area or individual process. In addition, some projects may go through parts of the framework more than once, if not multiple times. In project management, it doesn't matter if a project is huge, complex, and international, or small, simple, and localized. It's important for a project manager to follow the processes within the framework. By doing so, the project manager can ensure the seamless flow of the project's implementation, and it will help the project manager to successfully complete the deliverable on time and within the project's budget. These process groups and knowledge areas involve all the functions of project management that are required to accomplish the tasks and complete the project. Simply put, successful project management is the glue that holds a project together so all the work put into a project and the project's deliverable doesn't fall apart.